Hello, wonderful people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling a little stiff, maybe a bit creaky in the joints? Or perhaps you notice that reaching for something on the top shelf isn't quite as easy as it used to be. You're not alone, and I have something wonderful to share with you today that can make a world of difference. So, why is stretching so important, especially as we get older? Think of your muscles like rubber bands. When they're warm and stretched, they're flexible and ready for action. But when they're cold and haven't been used, they can feel tight and are more prone to injury. This means everyday tasks like tying your shoes, getting in and out of a car, or playing with your grandchildren become easier and more comfortable. It also improves your circulation, bringing nourishing blood flow to your muscles and joints. Just a few minutes a day can help you feel more limber, balanced, and energized. Before we begin our routine, let's talk about the most important rule: safety first. Your body is your best guide. Never push yourself into a position that causes sharp pain. We're looking for a gentle, comfortable pull, not a strain. If you have any pre-existing conditions, like joint replacements, arthritis, or have had recent surgery, please consult with your doctor or a physical therapist before starting any new exercise program. Also, find a stable, comfortable place to do these stretches. A sturdy chair without wheels is perfect. Deep, steady breaths will help your muscles relax and make the stretches more effective. Ready? Let's get started. We'll begin our full body routine right here, sitting tall in our chair. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, about hip width apart, and your back is straight but relaxed, not leaning against the back of the chair. Let's start with the neck. Very slowly, gently tilt your right ear towards your right shoulder. You should feel a light stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it here for about 20 to 30 seconds. Remember to breathe. Now, slowly bring your head back to the center. Let's do the other side. Gently tilt your left ear towards your left shoulder. Hold and breathe. Wonderful. Now, come back to the center. Next, slowly turn your head to look over your right shoulder, as if you're trying to look behind you. Only go as far as is comfortable. Hold it. And now slowly back to the center. Let's repeat on the left side. Turn to look over your left shoulder. Hold for a few breaths. And back to the center. Finally, gently lower your chin towards your chest. Feel the stretch in the back of your neck. Hold it right there. And slowly lift your head back up. Great job. Now, let's move on to our shoulders and upper back. Sit tall again. Let's do some gentle shoulder rolls. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them back and down. Make the movement smooth and circular. Let's do 5 of these. 1, 2. Feel the tension melting away. 3, 4. And 5. Now let's reverse it. Roll your shoulders forward, up, forward, and down. Next, we'll do a gentle upper back stretch. Extend your arms out in front of you at shoulder height. Clasp your hands together and gently round your upper back, pushing your hands away from you and tucking your chin slightly. You should feel a stretch between your shoulder blades. Hold this for 20 seconds, breathing deeply. Imagine you're hugging a giant beach ball and relax, bringing your arms back down. Now for the chest. Sit tall and place your hands on the back of your chair, or interlace your fingers behind your back if that's accessible. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your chest towards the ceiling. This is a wonderful chest opener, great for our posture. Hold it here, feeling that gentle stretch across the front of your body. Remember to breathe and release. Let's do that one more time. Arms behind, squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the chest. Let's move down to our arms and wrists. Extend your right arm straight out in front of you, palm facing up. With your left hand, gently bend your right wrist down, so your fingers point to the floor. You'll feel a stretch in your forearm. Hold it here. Now, let's flip the hand over, palm facing down. Use your left hand to gently pull your fingers towards your body. Feel the stretch on the top of your forearm. Hold and breathe. And release. Let's switch sides. Extend your left arm, palm up. Use your right hand to gently bend the wrist down. hold, and now, palm down. Gently pull the fingers back towards you, hold, and release. Shake out your hands. Let's do a few wrist circles. Pretend you're painting circles with your fingertips. 5 in one direction, and 5 in the other. Perfect. Now for our spine and torso. We'll do a gentle seated twist. Sit tall with your feet firmly on the floor. Place your left hand on the outside of your right knee. Place your right hand on the seat of the chair behind you for support. Using your core, slowly and gently twist your upper body to the right. Keep your hips facing forward. Only twist as far as is comfortable. Use your breath. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale to twist a little deeper. Hold for about 20 seconds. This is wonderful for spinal mobility. Slowly unwind and come back to the center. Let's do the other side. Right hand on the outside of your left knee, left hand on the chair behind you. Inhale to sit tall, and exhale to gently twist to the left. Remember, no forcing. Keep breathing. And slowly return to the center. How does that feel? Twists are so rejuvenating for the spine. Next, we'll focus on our hips and lower back. Still sitting towards the edge of your chair, let's do a seated figure 4 stretch. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Your right leg should be forming a 4 shape. You should feel it in your right hip and glute. If you like a little more, you can sit up tall and gently lean forward with a straight back until you feel a comfortable stretch. Don't round your back. Keep breathing into the stretch. This is fantastic for tight hips. Hold it here. And slowly sit back up. Uncross your legs. Let's switch. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Sit tall. Again, stay here if this is enough. Or, if you feel you can, gently lean forward with a straight back. Find that sweet spot where you feel a good stretch, not pain. Hold and breathe. This can really help with lower back and sciatic discomfort, and slowly come up. Uncross your legs. Fantastic work. Now for our legs, specifically the hamstrings, the muscles on the back of your thighs. Scoot to the edge of your chair. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you, with your heel on the floor and your toes pointing up to the ceiling. Keep your left foot flat on the floor with the knee bent. Sit up tall, and with a straight back hinge forward from your hips until you feel a gentle stretch down the back of your right leg. Don't round your back. Think about bringing your chest towards your toes. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Hamstrings can get very tight from sitting, and slowly rise up. Bring that leg in. Let's do the other side. Extend your left leg out, heel on the floor, toes up. Sit tall and hinge forward from the hips. Breathe into it. Don't lock your knee. Keep a tiny micro bend in it, and slowly come back up. Well done. Finally, let's give our ankles and calves some attention. While still seated, extend your right leg out slightly. Let's point and flex the foot. Point your toes away from you, feeling a stretch in the front of your shin. And then flex your foot back, pulling your toes towards you, feeling a stretch in your calf muscle. Let's do this 10 times. Point and flex. That's 1. Point and flex. 2. Keep it going. This is great for circulation in your lower legs. 9 and 10. Now let's do some ankle circles with that same foot. Circle your ankle 5 times in one direction. And 5 times in the other direction. Wonderful. Let's switch feet. Extend your left leg. Point and flex for 10. Now let's do our circles. 5 times one way. And 5 times the other. Excellent. Place your foot back down. And we're done with our routine. Take a moment. The key to seeing real lasting benefits from stretching is consistency. It's not about doing one long session a week. It's about incorporating a short, gentle routine into your daily life. Maybe you can do it first thing in the morning to ease into your day, or perhaps in the evening while watching television to wind down. Remember, every day is different. Some days you'll feel more flexible than others, and that's perfectly normal. The goal isn't to become a pretzel. The goal is to feel better in your own body, to move with more ease and less discomfort. Be patient and kind to yourself. Celebrate the small victories, reaching a little further, feeling a little less stiff. You are investing in your health, your mobility, and your independence. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking this time for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this gentle full body stretch. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more senior-friendly wellness content. And please, share this with a friend who might benefit from it too. Stay active, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.